Good morning and welcome to day 3 aboard the Royal Caribbean Majesty of the Seas. We are here in Cozumel, Mexico. We just got off the ship and we are headed to Chankanaab Beach Resort. We are headed over there to do some snorkeling and have a really fun adventure. Today's forecast is actually supposed to have a thunderstorm, but it's sunny enough right now. Hopefully it'll stay that way and we'll have a great day planned. Let's go enjoy Cozumel. Where are we going? Chankanaab. You ready? Swim with dolphins?
Yes.
Scuba dive? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing? With the dolphins. In the dolphins. Headed to the beach resort. So here we are at Blue Lagoon. We are grabbing some lunch. I ordered some beef empanadas here, and they got some chicken tacos. I can't wait to dive in and have a great Mexican lunch. Well, we just got done scuba diving with El Cavado. We had the best time. We were underwater for about 45 minutes and we saw the most colorful fish and coral. We even went into the cave. It was a really wonderful experience. My favorite was seeing the barracuda. Careful, just look, don't touch. And I can't wait to come back and scuba diving again with them. If you're interested and you find yourself here at the park and you want to go scuba diving, I will link their information in the description box below so you can scuba dive again with these awesome guys.